Welcome back to Technogia's video. On this video, I am going to teach you how you can place the Instagram link on TikTok. What we are going to do is open TikTok application and I lower the volume for don't interrupt us. Select OK and go to Pro Life. In your Pro Life, we can see the option Edit Pro Life. Press in and to the slice on Instagram at Instagram account, and we can see the option we see the option below that says Instagram. Where it say Instagram, we will have the option to log in. As we log in, we can link our account and it will appear in your life. And for example, in my case, I don't add a new Instagram because I have other TikTok, and I search I search for example, go here and we can see I have the Instagram account. And that's all, guys. This is the steps, and the last step is subscribe our channel.